Once upon a time there lived a beautiful princess by the name of Fiona. She has beautiful long hair. One day the witch saw her beautiful hair and wanted it for herself. Then she kidnapped Princess Fiona and took a razor and shaved off all her hair. The witch then made it into a wig for herself and wore it. Princess Fiona was so sad. Princess Fiona was very sad because she was pota pota pota. She cried all day and night. One day, a prince was riding on a horse and rode past the tower and heard her cry. The prince said, "I'm coming to your rescue." When she heard this, Princess Fiona immediately took out her pom-pom and cheered for the prince who fought with the witch. The prince drew his sword to fight with the witch. When the prince swung his sword, there was a gust of wind which blew the witch's wig away and towards Princess Fiona's head. The witch became very paiseh and immediately fly away. The wig went into Princess' head. When the prince saw the princess, he fell in love immediately and they lived happily ever after.